Farmer becomes Manchester's third murder victim for 2024. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Manchester police are probing the parish's third murder since the start of the year. This after a farmer was shot and killed by gunmen at a bar in Porus, Manchester on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as O'Neill Henry alias Passa of Top Coffee Grove in the parish. Police reports that at around 9:30 p.m. on Friday, Henry and other patrons were at a bar when gunmen approached and opened gunfire before escaping. When the shooting subsided, Henry was found suffering from what appears to be gunshot wounds. He succumbed to his injuries at the scene. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack. Manchester's first murder was recorded on Wednesday of last week, when 51-year-old taxi operator Gary Taylor died from injuries he sustained a day earlier during a deadly family dispute reportedly over a house. The incident occurred in Cocoa Walk in the parish, during which Taylor was hit with an object on his head and other section of his upper body reportedly by a relative during a heated argument. Taylor succumbed to his injuries in a hospital on Wednesday morning. Hours later in Greenville, Manchester, Richard Levy alias Weedy was shot and injured by gunmen traveling in a motor car in the community around 7 p.m. Levy, a resident of 14th Street in Greenville, was hospitalized in critical condition and later succumbed to his injuries on Friday. The police have commenced investigation into these cases. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.